Giki ni kiumia gĩa kerĩ kuma arutwo a junior secondary kwa mukiro mathukuru-ini na mathomo thukuru-ini nyingi cia muingi matire marambĩrĩria. TSC rĩu ĩgĩtĩkĩra kũrĩ na unyihu wa arutani nao nĩ thengia ya arutani 30,000 arĩa marandĩkirwo wĩra ica ikuhĩ gũkorwo mekinyĩtie thukuru-ini kũrĩa matũmirwo. Hindi ya giikaro na Kamitii ya Senate igii githomo, murugamiriri munene wa TSC Nancy Macharia augite ni mambĩrĩirie gucokanĩrĩria ithabu rĩa arutani makiria aria marabatarania ni undu wa arutwo a grade ya mugwanja.
You are aware we have opened a portal, an online portal at the TSC, and we have asked all the teachers who would want to teach JSS and they are in primary and they have the right qualifications to get into that portal and register. And so now the next thing, and that's why I don't have the numbers right now, is to go back to that portal and see how many teachers have expressed interest in joining JSS, and it is only after that, and we can give you these numbers later on, then that we then start mapping them against the JSS and the number of schools that the ministry has mapped.
Maya mokite riri nake mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Arutani Collins Oyu augite ni moritie arutani thukuru-ini cia muthingi kwambĩrĩria guthomithia arutwo a grade ya mugwanja. Riri kiama giki gitanyitwo kũgĩa na giikaro na TSC kwarĩra mibango makiria.
We have our teachers doing this work. We cannot let our learners just idle in schools. Let them do that work. As Kenya National Union of Teachers, we shall come out and say they are qualified. Can we talk about the caveat that you're talking about? Can we address it? So we have started a debate about this caveat. C plane, even with degrees, upper second, not being allowed to teach junior secondary.
Matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa Kamitii ya Senate igii githomo Joseph Nyuto. Kamitii ino yugite ikinyaria na ihenya riaga gutacukio nditi ota ino ya gugecokera mwaka ukite.
We only have one cohort in junior secondary school. Next year we'll have 2 cohorts, and so maybe the teacher requirement will double next year.
Kamitii ino ona kuhanora uguo nireganite na riendekithia ria Kamitii ya guthurima mishara ya aruti wira a muingi kunyihia mishara ya arutani a nathari na handu-ini ho uguo kuga ni kwendekithia kuongererwo gwa ciringi bilioni 2 hari o county thiini wa mwaka wa kigina wa thirikari niguo gutangikira arutani aya hamwe na thukuru cia kothi cia moko.
You cannot say that you are bringing some scheme of service and where you want to pay ECDE teachers lower than house helps.
Maya mokite riri na kio gikundi gya gutetera ihoto cia muingi kia Haki Africa kiandikire Kamitii ya kuhurana na ungumania magikwa kuri na arugamiriri a mathukuru marathie na mbere gwitia marihi kuma kuri aciari aria maraingiria ciana thukuru.
In some schools, from our investigations, they are told you cannot make payments using M-Pesa, that you have to pay cash. And that cash you pay, you are not issued with a receipt.
Oho makienda thirikari gutigirira arutwo othe aria marekire kigeranio gya KCPE ni maingira thukuru makiuga ngarama ya indo iria ciretio mathukuru-ini niyo hingĩrĩirie aciari aingĩ gutwara ciana ciao thukuru. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.